praying mantis has arms that can strike 10 times faster than a blink of the eye. Safety is a long way away. In the jungle arms race, only too often there's someone else with a more powerful weapon. And over the course of the night, millions will pair up. There are over 150 different species of fireflies in North America, and each has its own flash code. But the forest is booby-trapped by orb weaver spiders. And this male is lucky. He's found a mate. Once they're mated, the females deposit their eggs in the ground, and for those that didn't find a mate, their one chance has come and gone.